first 2 nights, walang message sa akin ng diretso ka nun. Ngayon daw, meron ka nung sasabihin sa akin.
I-message ko na yung isa mo.
Nahiya siya ba mga ganito eh? Kamaya, baby, ano ba?
Seryoso na. Huwag may message yung tao!
Okay.
Ano daw? Mamaya! Nagsawa kayo. Kasi ito kayo nakakiss kami. Tingnan natin kung hindi kayo magreklamo at kita mag-MTSC. Shucks, dapat demure. I just wanna say... Okay, seryoso na to. Kasi going-going na sila. Unang-una po sa lahat, gusto ko lang po kayong pasalamatan isa-isa. Kung meron man pong magpo-post ng video neto online sa mga nanood po ng day 1, day 2, maraming salamat po for choosing to be with DJ these past 3 days. Hindi po kayo nagkamali sa taong susuportahan. Kasi kung gano'n po siya ka-generous on stage, sa puso niya, kung paano siya magkwento sa inyo, kung paano siya nag-i-inspire, nag-i-encourage sa inyo na nanonood niya. Ganon na ganon siya off stage. This person is an example of God's testament that He is the God of everything. Na kaya niyang i-compress ang time. Kaya niyang ibigay yung lahat ng mga pangarap mo in kaya niyang ibigay yung lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa isang ganun. And sobrang akong grateful that I get to witness that every single day for the rest of our lives. Kasi aside from being a great artist, singer, songwriter, head of his own label, husband, dada to our dogs, son-in-law, brother, TJ is my inspiration. Kasi, as an artist, I also feel like I'm in my season of waiting. And that sometimes I feel like it's time to just throw in the towel and give up on music and on everything. But every time I wake up in the morning and I look to my left, I see this man. And I am reminded that a few years ago, he was gonna give up. But he chose to fight. And in less than a year, he is now one of the most streamed artists in the Philippines. He was the first male solo act to sell out Araneta Coliseum 3 nights in the freaking row. So, on behalf of all of us, and everybody watching, wherever you are, thank you for reminding us that dreams really do come true. I love you so much. Wala ka nang magagawa. You signed away your rights. Ginaw mo naman, maiiyak na ako. Hindi, pero I love you so much. I never imagined that I could love you even more after 10 years of being together. And I'm excited to spend 10 more lifetimes with you. I love you. pala.
I love you, baby.
Kasi yung nanay at tatay ng...
Siya rin sa mga ito.
Astig yung dapat kasi ako.
Everybody, KZ, Nandiyan, Montero. I love you. Thank you.